Hold on. Hold on. Is my mic on? I bet. Last time I don't think my mic was on. Not last time, but one of the streams I deleted. I feel like half the time mic wasn't on. I lost money, and you know what I'm saying. It's just not cool, man. Not fun. What is going on, y'all? It is Atlas Capital, your one-stop shop for developing your trading skills, following along on my journey, and just having a fun time, man. You know, just participating in a community that will uplift each other and give helpful advice and tips and tricks to better ourselves and improve upon our profit, man. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Let's get it, man. I hope y'all had a good Christmas. Unfortunately, I don't have a filter where I could put like a hat on me as a potato. Kind of sucks, but hey, it's in the thumbnail. It's in the thumbnail. We are getting a little bit better at managing our risk. I have some new stuff to show y'all. Just to get into it a little bit. If y'all haven't already seen over the past couple of streams, we have this new trading layout. Basically, we put in our option here, right in this little window. This is the options chain. Now there is turbo trader options, right? That would, I was thinking that I was going to use that. The main, and there are these filters here, that I may run through a little bit again. But what we were the idea behind this, right, was to limit ourselves into what types of trades that we were taking, because I would all too often go out the money because of just the little amount of capital that we have. Now I have made a $500 deposit, which I have since lost. Now we have made back some of it. That is the goal today, make back as much as we can. But I am messing with the options chain now again. And to get straight into it, this would be our options chart, right? So if I click on this, the options chart pulls up, and right along the options chart is where I will have a stop loss and take profit, right? That I can manipulate right on the chart, right? So really, like, ever since not that I've started trading, but really started to look for the ways that the traders that I see online who make it look easy, who already have their system down, right? That already have, ways of on the fly selling and buying their orders and minimizing their losses, right? I got particularly interested in. And this is one of the ways that we can do that with options, now, like compared to futures, on the other hand, it is not exactly the same. With options, you have the option itself, in which the brokers will allow you to kind of make those make those orders. Now, since we're trading zero DTEs, that's why I'm sliding it up and down like that. Now I do have future plans for swing trades. I've come across a nice little strategy for swing trades, and hopefully we can day trade our way up to a significant amount to buy a contract, about a week or two out or something like that, and we'll go over the charts and what exactly is going to make us enter into a swing trade, if that makes sense, y'all. So yeah, basically I click an option here, right? Click on the ask, and then I have stop losses, which I've been actually not messing with this 15%, even though it's tight and it should be that way. I've not been messing with how that is, because with the option, right, just with, I guess, the Greeks and the way that it multiplies and whatnot, that 15% is not much until we get stopped out. I've gotten stopped out way too many times right away just by putting in these types of orders. So we're going to change that up here today. We're going to allow for more of a stop loss. That way I don't get in the habit of dragging my stop loss down, which is absolutely fucking insane. Like that's the exact opposite of what you're supposed to be doing when it comes to all that. But yeah, so to go over our yeah, I'm gonna mess with those in a minute there. Yeah, so we watch price here, we watch the option here, and as soon as I click positions, I can click on the position. This will change over to the option, and yeah, that's just the way that we're running with it right now. We're doing 0 DTEs, and let's go over the chart here. Let's go over the chart. What was I doing here? I wanted to remove drawings here. Okay, that's cool. Remove them here as well. That's fine. So whatever. I don't know why it's like that. I need to save the way that these work. So I've got this new this new way of looking at the stonk moving averages, and that's with the EMAs. Now some people, they prefer the simple MAs, and some people prefer the EMAs, the exponential moving averages. We'll read the difference here between them for y'all, just so that everybody understands what's going on. But yeah. Yeah, so exponential moving averages reduce the lag by applying more weight to recent prices. So the weighting applied to the most recent price depends on the number of periods in the moving average. So EMAs differ from simple moving averages in that a given day's EMA calculation depends on the EMA calculations for all days prior to that day. You need far more than 10 days of data to calculate a reasonably accurate 10-day EMA. So there are 3 steps to calculating an exponential moving average. First, calculate the simple moving average for the initial EMA value. An exponential moving average EMA has to start somewhere, so a simple moving average is used as the previous period's EMA in the first calculation. Second, calculate the weighting multiplier. Third, calculate the exponential moving average for each day between the initial EMA value and today using the price multiplier in the previous period in the formula below is 10-day for EMA. I honestly stopped paying attention while I was reading that. Don't mind any of that. But we're looking at the chart today. We have not broken through this very big dot plot guidance for interest rates. Very bad, not fun Powell speech. We have not broken through that yet. Not at all, right? But we are above the 8 EMA, and that's on the daily, right? Now, and I'll tell you more. I'll make a separate video about the swing trade stuff that we're going to be moving into. And hopefully, transition into. But what they were saying is that, once you're above the 8 EMA on a daily, then you're very well, you're very safe and sound almost, for a trend to be moving in the same direction, right? So I don't believe that we are going to see a downturn here. If anything, maybe just a little consolidation candle. Sometimes you'll just have those smaller candles. They'll go within the range, close out, stuff like that. So just depending if we make any money today, we may put a call for over the weekend. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. But that's what's going on right now. And see, MACD's finishing up here on the daily. MACD is finishing up its little run there. See, that's the peak right there in between them two, and that's smaller. Should be smaller here, but then again, we do have jobless claims coming out here soon. I'm working on getting a a good watch list going on for y'all. I have a new screener now for swing trades, and we'll start talking about hot stocks that we're looking at for entering swing trades and what that criteria will be. But currently, what was I doing on TradingView? I was looking for the economic calendar here. So in about when is this? In about 15 minutes, we'll get continuing jobless claims, initial jobless claims, and jobless claims 4-week average. So while we're here, let's go ahead and take a look at what that actually means. So continuing jobless claims is the actual number of unemployed and currently receiving unemployment benefits for who filed for unemployment benefits at least 2 weeks ago. Initial jobless claims refers to the number of people who have filed for unemployment benefits with their state's unemployment agency for the first time during a specific reporting period, typically on a weekly basis. And jobless claims 4-week average. So now we did hear from the Fed that half of them are basically not half. Well, most of them are looking at data to tell what's going on, and some of them are predicting, or just going based off of policy that hasn't happened yet. So as of right now, Trump is not in office. I don't even know when inauguration day is. Silly American doesn't know how democracy works. Let's see, inauguration day. Don't even got us. That's what's great about Google. January 20th, yo. Like we're very far out from that. We're very far out from like a wild speech that could even move the markets. It seems like anybody that speaks in public can move the market nowadays. I should hold a press conference, yo. Make them go up. Interest for everybody. I don't know. Don't worry about it. So we're gonna accuse, and you know what sucks, yo? I took a little degenerate trade on SPX to like what was it? 625, right? And look at it, it's at 640, 6040. I would have turned $50 into $1,200. $50 into $1,200. Do y'all understand that through your head, bro? You know what I'm saying? Like, god damn. That shit's got me hyped as fuck, yo. It's got me hyped as fuck for SPX options in particular. Ugh. I got a pimple in my nose. Shit's fucking with me, bro. It's just bugging me. Look at this. You see that? Curving up. Once we get that cross, it's gonna be crazy. I'm still very bullish right now. Just the way that things are speaking to me, I'm feeling bullish. Look at the 1 hour. Look at pre-market. So we'll mark that off. These are highs and lows of pre-market. $39. Just bouncing off that 20 there. That's on the hourly. What is that? That's 526.78. That's the low. And 79. Close enough. Close enough. All right, so we got those levels marked off. And basically what the strategy is for open, y'all, is we're going to be looking at the 5-minute chart. And this is what we did last time. We missed this move here. I think I stopped out like right around 527 here. And I missed the rest of this up going up to like, and you know what's crazy is that I called it to be around 530. Like that's the average amount of points that happened like the day before when we had a good push up after that horrid downturn. And now we got the same thing going. I definitely recall calling 530 on stream, saying that it's likely that we're gonna reach there by the end of the day. But you just can't be entirely sure. I don't have the process down yet. I'm not putting fib levels on the damn chart now, but hopefully soon, man. Hopefully soon. I've got like 1.6 in futures right now in a futures account. I'm just waiting on the real-time data to kick in on TradingView, and we'll end up taking a look at micros and seeing what we can do there. It's going to be a lot less leveraged, and honestly, I'm not too keen on starting that sort of trading yet without doing some more research on some models on whether how they work and how to implement them and so on and so forth. But I'm slowly getting there. But yeah, basically what we're doing is we're waiting for the first 5-minute candle, right? So that's not this one, it's the opening candle, right? It's the opening candle. We'll take the opening candle range. You see how the next 5-minute candle closes just above but does not hit that range, right? So we'll take that range, boop, boop, right? But really what we did is we marked off the first 5-minute candles high and low, and we're waiting for a break, right? We wait for the break, and then on the 1 minute, oh jeez, on the 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I'm not counting that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. High, low. On the 1 minute. God. Oh, God. Is this the same day? This is 12:20. Yo, what is going on? Okay. You see this little retest on the second 5-minute candle? We enter there. Or, sorry. Oh, jeez. So that's by 9:35, right? That's the first 5-minute candle. 9:35. This is 9:40. It's 9:40. Okay. What is I don't know why it does this. I'm so sorry, y'all. And what day is this? Okay, at least we're on the right day still. There is a little retest, all right? So 9:35, all right? Little retest. Okay. And then boom, we break, right? Right here would be like right here. You could go right here if you're feeling real confident, right? And then boom, where's 940? Boom. See, there's 940. 940 right here. Boom. We're off. We're off to it. We're off to it. All right. We play the break is basically what we're doing. We're playing the break. Hopefully there's a retest off of VWAP. Sometimes you don't always get that. And just knowing that we came off of a bullish day the day beforehand from a very, very significant downturn. That's what was leading me. It's very simple stuff. It's not very nuanced when it comes to me personally right now for my strategy, but that's just what we're going off of right now, and that's just what it is, like what can I do unless I learn more, I'm going through this book. It's called Alpha Masters by some brown motherfucker. It's really cool though. They interview a whole bunch of hedge fund managers about like, just like their thinking and how they worked through difficult times like '08. And I'm also learning about like different areas of finance, stuff like mergers and acquisitions, and not even like mergers and acquisitions themselves, but trading mergers and acquisitions, that the like how wide the spread can be on something like that once something happens. Like it's insane. It's insane. What really stands out to me though is Ray Dalio. I'm gonna be putting some of the things that he said through ChatGPT to help me understand a little bit better and see if I can implement some of the wisdom that I'm gaining from that into my trading. And I also have like a whole bunch of books to go through, and like y'all might call me stupid for this, or like ask me like, why don't you buy shares? Cause fuck, bro. I'm leveraged, bro. Leveraged to the tits. Fuck can I say? But y'all may ask me why I haven't read this before, being so into stocks as I have. The Intelligent Investor by somebody Graham, Benjamin Graham. I don't know. Still haven't read that, but I do have that. That's next up on the list. And I've got a options technical book that I'm about to get into. What is it? Options strategies for strategic investing, something like that. It's somewhere around here. Damn, I had a whole stack of books. Oh no, wait, no, it's right here. Understanding Options by Michael Sincere. I really hope he's as sincere as his name says, because it's gonna be very nice. Something that I learned recently on the options chain is you see these strike prices. See strike price, you see boom, right, and then boom, right. All right, check me out. All right, check me out. See how these got W's on them, right? Now you may think W as like a win. Nah. All right, let me stop being stupid. These W's are basically like these aren't the strike, but these are like how many days out the options chain there is. Let me know down in the comments if y'all would like a separate video on the options chain again. I think I've made one while I was showing my setup, and I'll make a separate video for the setup too, just so we can get some subscribers going, some viewership going, see if anybody's interested in something as simple as just a Webull setup. Again, that's one of my few videos that has done well. And then let's see. Yeah. So you see all these W's here, and then one doesn't have a W, right? Boom, 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 boom. No W. Boom. No W. No W. No W. No W. No W. Right. At least within the month itself, within the month or two, right? Between those W's, those are options that they're called OPEX options. Now I'll Google this to give y'all a proper. What is the difference between OPEX and regular. God, still trying to figure out typing on this new keyboard of mine. Options expiration day, right? So U.S. listed stock options usually expire on the third Friday of each month, precisely on the Friday before the third Saturday. However, exceptions occur, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. Oh, there's a nice little Reddit post about it. So, aren't we in the 1, 2, 3? Huh. We're on the fourth Friday of the month. Yeah, I'm real bullish today. But this is a very interesting Reddit post. I will. He just describes it as a reliable dip of where market makers and pension funds and 401ks, IRAs, whatever, will just buy. They'll just buy because it's a deadline, right? That they have to meet. And then by the third Friday of the month, it is the options expiration, market slows, delta hedging slows, passive fund flows, and delta hedging, the market falls. To stay delta neutral, the market maker sells shares. We're also getting closer to option expiration, so delta decreases further and more shares are sold. There is a thing about Fridays. Like weeklies are a big thing in the market for options, and I'll read up more about it to give y'all a give y'all a better understanding of that. But basically, yeah, these are apparently the best types of options. They're more liquid. They've got more people trading them. It's these OPEX, these options expiration options. All right, so they're usually on Fridays, right? Like this one is usually well, there's definitely one for the third Friday of every month. What's the third Friday of January? What's the third Friday of January? January 2025. 1, 2, 3, 17th. 17, look at that. Boom. OPEX. No W. All right. So third Friday of February. We'll check that. Is it the 21st? February. 7th, 14th. Boom. 21st. Boom. See? So at least some lines up with what I'm telling y'all. which is cool. Let's see. I've got a cool screener on TradingView. That's what we'll be using to discuss our swing trades. I got all this by a guy named Sean Trades on TikTok, who's been, just fuck. Man, I'm sorry, yo. I get influence. This is what started this. This is what for why the past 4 years I've just been like a maniac in an Amazon warehouse telling my coworker, like some dude, hey, shout out my boy David. Some dude who works next to me is like, bro, Starbucks earnings just happened. I just turned 30 and at 300. Just fucking going crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I got influence. That's what got me started in this, and now I'm really diving into the damn intricacies. Intricacies. It's fucking Trump voice. We're gonna win on the options trading, okay? Fuck. All right, whatever. I'm sorry. I'm trying to be entertaining for y'all. I'm trying to be a cool potato instead of boring potato, because I know when the market opens, I'm gonna be silent as a motherfucker watching these damn candles. But yeah. So these are this is the damn screener. Let me know if y'all want a video on this screener. Fucking like and subscribe, y'all. Man, if you're watching this, yo, if you come across this potato, bro, that's just out there putting his thoughts and his damn money into the atmosphere for some motherfucker on Wall Street to grab, man, if y'all fuck with me, bro, like and subscribe. Like and fucking like it's right. Y'all can't see my finger because I'm a potato, but it's right down there, bro. There's a like and there's a subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can even click on the channel, right, and turn that motherfucking bell on, bro. You know what I'm saying? What would that do? I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure, but it seems pretty cool. It's a cool little button to press. I like buttons personally. That's why I got this cool keyboard. Beep, 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 beep. And it lights up and shit too. It's real cool. Yeah, I'm finna replace the keycaps and shit. I'm a fucking keyboard nerd, bro. I can't even afford it. Can't afford it. It's okay. It's okay. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Any little thing. No. Every little thing. It's gonna be alright. Alright. I'm done. Let me get some fucking water. Let me pop a multivitamin. This time I took a shit before my multivitamin, so like I won't go MIA on y'all. Glued to the damn toilet seat. Bro. That fucking multivitamin hits. I'm gonna tell you that, bro. My stomach's finna ingest that shit. My nutrients are finna go everywhere. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be crazy, bro. We're just waiting on pre-market to be over with. Every little thing is gonna be alright. I don't like this downturn in pre-market. I don't like it. I don't want this to be a consolidation day. Hopefully we can catch a move, if any move. I'm not gonna be trading SPX today. Just cause I'm scared. Cause I'm fucking scared. That shit moves insanely, and I'm just not ready for it yet. It's not up for it, bro. Oh shit, the data came out. Fuck. Hey, less is more, bro. Tell you that much. When it comes to jobless claims, less is more. Just fun. Just fun. What? Where is the damn? Oh shit, it's more. Okay, initial jobless claims is less, which is cool. We got more continuous jobless claims, and the jobless claims 4-week average is a tad bit more. How does the market like this? Does the market like this? We have yet to see what's going on. Where's 8:30? I don't think the market likes this. I don't think the market likes this. Nonetheless, we are going to either wait for a breakout from these highs and lows. Let's mark off highs and lows of yesterday as well. These opacities must be cool. All right, so it's 5:30. I need to come up with some damn hotkeys for this sort of stuff. Change the color on this. Make it purple. Purple, a bit harder to see, but still there. Purple, a bit harder to see, but still there. All right, so that's high and low of the previous day. So those are gonna be like our targets. That's the only way that I'm using them. If we go look on the daily, I really don't see why we wouldn't push up. Maybe even take new all-time highs. I mean, let's look at the options chain for. I mean, if we're at 5, yeah, we're at. I mean, we closed. It's a good thing that we didn't close like in a crazy different spot from where do we open at 528. 528. So these get even cheaper. I mean, if we go for like a what was highs, 540. Go for a 540 call, $3. I mean, I'll buy like a few. What's that like a week from now? Let's go on the damn 5-day 540s. Ah ha 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 ha. So we can only buy one 540. So we'll see what we can make today, and then you know what, we'll swing it. We'll swing it a little bit. We'll swing it a little bit because I want to aim for those new highs. I really think that we get there. We recover from this because Jay Powell is just being dumb, or that's a consensus from everybody. And by everybody I mean like already my only macro source of outlook, because I'm just a damn college student with nothing real to say for real. But yeah, bro, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thomas, we got a good amount until until let's see, market open. So that being said, we can take a look at some things. What happened to the VIX yesterday? I want to take a look at the VIX on the daily. Yesterday, I remember being at 16. And do we close? We closed at 14. Close at 14. You know, they say short the VIX. Boop. Boop. 14 seems to be a level, though. 14 seems to be a level of let's get back into it. You know what I'm saying? 12 seems to be a nice how we get a run. What is this? July. Oh wow, that's from 23. I mean, well, let's take a look at that. Yeah, July 23. All right, and then what happens here? July 11th. Look at the VIX. Oh, VIX is moving up. VIX is moving up pre-market. VIX daily. What the fuck happened in August? July 11th. Nothing crazy happened July 11th. I don't know what the yeah, okay. This is absolutely just unnecessary. Doesn't count for anything. What the fuck happened in August? This happened in August. Overnight is wild too. I mean, this is what we got going on, yo. But VIX is up. VIX is up right now from where we closed. Which is no fun, no bueno. You know what I'm saying? I mean, who knows? Maybe it's a fluke. Maybe the market ignores it. Maybe the market ignores it. Everything is down, though, in pre-market. It's kind of wild. Kind of wild to think about. Kind of wild to consider. I really hope that I don't have enough wash sales for my tax return to look like shit. Because, you know, damn sure I'm putting it straight into a deposit, baby. Oh, man, I got to stop doing this myself. I'm a degenerate, yo. Just know that even degenerates can win, bro. You know what I'm saying? I swear we can. All my life we can. All my life. Hey, but if we drop though, that just gives us a better entry for that week, for that weekly. I would go for that weekly. If I were me, I need some damn lotion, yo. So I mean, you know, in the meantime, we can y'all ever got a rolly chair on carpet? She don't make no sense. She don't make no sense, right? Can't wait to fucking put a clickbait ass title on this stream with like a cool little thumbnail. Me as a potato. She gonna be crazy. She gonna be crazy. So not the market. We can look at the damn screener that I got. Little watch list that I got. It's Focus Watch. I really like Trading View that has these little things. You can put your favorites. Put in your favorites. What is this? Oh wow, I can even remember intervals. That's wild. EMA 821 and the damn 50 safe. Oh, now we just have that whenever. You know, there's something on Already's YouTube all the time. He has these little letters up here. I have no idea what they mean or what they do. But they bring, I'm pretty sure they bring up different charts, which is like wild. I guess that's to save the thing. I don't even know. Before we get into that, let me do this. Let me do this right now. Settings, trade settings, options, stop price, stop loss. There it is. A good 30 is nice. A good 30 is nice. There you go. There you go. We'll keep it like that. What are these hotkeys? Oh, well, that's nice. Change watch list and change symbol. That's nice. It's not fucking working. Nope, that's just okay. Okay. All right, whatever. I'm over it. I'll figure it out later. But we got that done now. So now if I do this, boom, it's 30 instead of 40, which, you know, it's scary, but, you know, I move it down anyways. So, you know, we expect a little downturn before we go up. That's how it always goes. So it always goes. Expect a little boop before we go boop. You know, boop, 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 boop. You know what I'm saying? So, see this? Boop, boop. You know what I'm saying? All right. Boop, 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 boop. All right. And even in between these, boop, you know, it got a little boop. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's just the way that the world works, bro. Sometimes you get boos instead of boops. You feel me? What you know about it, bro? This is what's going on here. Lucid's pretty cool to have this. Honestly, one of these filters is change. And honestly, I don't know how I feel about this change. Right? Like if I mean, then there's only a few names added, so I mean, doesn't hurt, I guess. But oh well. I mean, let's go through all this. So basically, based off the ones that I see here, right? So we're either wanting to see on the daily this sort of testing of a resistance level, right? And then waiting for a breakout of that resistance, right? So then we'll add it to the watch list, right? So we're looking for this sort of compression, right? So this little bop, right? And this like kind of like a little wedge for it to break out of, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like a little boom, you know, and then we'll keep watch on it, you know. Isn't crazy. It's not a crazy strategy. And this is the swing trading strat, by the way. So this is how I guess people look for swing trade strats. I've heard of like a a Finviz screener, and look for the on the dailies. Look for within a certain amount of presets or whatever. Whether this guy's doing this, this guy's doing this. He's looking for stuff like we'll take a look at Netflix. Netflix is on the daily. Honestly, Netflix is not. Netflix is low key not it. Netflix is low key not it. Low key. Low key. Unsure. Three-month, 1 hour daily. Yeah, I'm not sure about Netflix, but Netflix is breaking out into all-time highs. Right? What's that? Go to this candle. High 941. $10 away from it, right? And then it's usual. What's that? 9. Open at 890. Up to 919. What's that? $30. I mean, come on now. I mean, those were good days. Let's go on an average day. 895. Closed at 902. Right? So, I mean, like, what, 5 points? 8 points? 16. I mean, come on now. I mean, low key. You know what I'm saying? Like, I low key want to take a look at Netflix. But yeah, we're just looking for these sort of patterns where they get into this little, they start testing these, boop boop boop, right? And a lot of names kind of took a hit because of the Fed, and are just really just waiting to break out. And you want price to be above, so you want to basically, the swing strat is breaking above, right, resistance, and also with these EMAs being in line, right? So by in line, meaning like one is above the other, right? So 8 is above the 21, and the 21 is above 55, and then that's how you know that you're in and you see this, right? So you can even look for compression, a little wedge, right? Wait for it to break out, boom, all right? And then now you're in like a whole thing. Now imagine if we had a whether it be at the money or not, it could be just a little bit out the money, right? And we're still trading that within what? This is July. This is what? So if we would have taken this on 12th of July and we would have held till 12th of August. I mean, yeah, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of rollover, right? We're still going above what we want to be. And then even like on this crazy gap up, this is before the 12th of August, this crazy gap up, like we're all the way up, like real high, right? We just close out. You know what I'm saying? It would have been crazy. Would have been wild, right? So yeah, we're just looking for stuff like that. I'm unsure if some of these are the best setups, and this is a relatively new stock, so I'm not sure about it. This definitely had a breakout. I don't know what. It was 3 days ago. On the 20th. 3 trading days ago. 20th. New post: quantum cryptographic chips installed on international satellites. What the fuck sort of sentence is that? Quantum cryptographic chips installed on international satellites. What the fuck does that even mean? Enables mobile phones to benefit from post-quantum security. What is post-quantum? Yeah, I mean, it was offered at 25. Which is crazy. It's also a relatively new stock. It's just breaking out though. I like it for what it is. We'll see what it does today. Palantir's So on the high. Yeah, it's on the high. Also relatively new company, but people love it. I've been hearing a lot about Palantir. And then Archer, one of my friends was talking about Archer, and I've actually had my eye on Archer for a while there. I think ever since it IPO'd. But I've seen it go all the way down. Like these motherfuckers make flying cars, yo. This shit's insane. I have no idea why it's going crazy right now. News. Wall Street bet stocks mostly higher pre-bell. It's dumb. It's a dumb headline. That was also 2 days ago. They just say the same thing. It's dumb. Okay, it is a different deal. What does it say? KULR technology to advance. It's interesting because KULR is right here. Oh, wow. Let's look at that. Is this also a new stock? Yeah, relatively new stock. 2019, though, isn't too bad. Yeah, it's breaking out. I mean, let's take a look at some of these names. Let's take a look at LAES and KULR. There's a little down day there. KULR seems nice. I mean, if we take a look at these are pretty expensive for 20. Oh, because 22 days out. That's nice though. That's not bad. That's not bad for a swing trade. For what it's doing right now on the day. It's not bad for a swing trade. I don't know though. I'm not going crazy into it though. You know what I'm saying? I'm not feeling too hot about it. I kind of want to stick to what I know. Kind of want to stick to what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So that's just what it is right now. Kind of a lot of these Mag 7 names are on a bit of the same chart, right? I mean, Q's being the rest of the market, safe to say that, all-time highs are very dependent on things. But I mean, look at Google. Google does not look bad at all. Oh, where is that coming from? Is that a split? Yeah, it's a split. I like the Google trade. I like the Google. I hate Nvidia's chart. I absolutely hate it. That's such an insane split. What was it? 20 to 1, 10 to 1? Yeah, 10 to 1. What was Google's? Wasn't Google's 20 to 1? It's insane. Insane. Google's 20 for 1. What was it up at? Wow, look at that. Oh, wow. Insane. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm not doing all that. Wow, the arrow keys won't work here, but they'll work on the... okay, whatever. $3,000 is insane. I was doing that for a while there. Oh, no, it wasn't. What is that? 2020. 2020 from around 1,000 to 3,000. Insane. I wonder why stocks split. Okay. Yeah, I like it because there's a base there. There's a little handle. It's a big giant cup. Little handle. Nvidia, drill down here on the 4 hour. Nvidia, Nvidia. Not feeling it. Tesla though, definitely feeling it. Definitely feeling Tesla. Everybody's feeling Tesla. Who doesn't feel Tesla? I'm thinking that we get a little dip off the open. Um, yeah, ever since the election, shit went crazy. Look at that. That's 11.5. Boom. As soon as it hits the next day, gaps up. Boom. 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 Wish we would have caught things like that. Wish we would have put two and two together like that. But hey, new traders. What can you do? What can you do about it? Definitely want to take a trade on Tesla, but I mean, the prices are insane. Like, I'd have to be betting on 500 for it to go. I mean, what are the points? What are the points on this, on something like this? 31 points. And where are we at? The 60 mark. I mean, it's not too bad of a trade. It's not crazy of a trade, but I mean, there are other days where it's only 23 points. You know what I'm saying? It's like Tesla's something to swing for sure. Meta, I'm not liking that. I'm not liking Meta's chart. Not liking Meta's chart. AMD. Is AMD still a short? AMD could very well be a short. Short down to about the 93 mark. What's that look like? Okay, $16. That's not bad. I'll buy 2 of those. But no, we'll just buy one. I want to buy that. I want to buy that. This will be our first swing trade. We'll do that. AMD short, $95. I mean, these are just bearish flags, or sorry, bullish flags. No, yeah, bearish flags. Sorry. Boop boop boop. Pew. See, these got a opposite effect. Boop boop boop. Pew. Boop pew boop pew. All right, definitely in a downtrend there. Don't think that we will be climbing out of that. We'll see if it's a green day for AMD though, because it does like to push in to the 20 there, 21 EMA. So we'll wait on that before we take it. But I'm looking for the 90s on AMD then. That seems like a more definite trade that we can take after now that we're definitely confirmed like in a trend. You know what I'm saying? This makes more sense. I'm not even looking at IWM. I'm not even looking at it. Hey, but IWM, is that? There's no way that's just... Okay, well, this is... What is that? Is that Wednesday? What was Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday's the 18th. Okay, yeah. So that's just a fluke. It's just a fluke, y'all. Because if this dumps, then that's not... If this goes into a little trend like that, then it's not cool. It's not fun. Could be a nice consolidation breakout, but don't know what I'm looking for there. VIX. All right, y'all. We'll see what happens. We got a few minutes until until the open, and like I said, y'all, we will be waiting for the 5-minute close, marking levels there, and waiting for breakouts. So that's what I'll be looking out for. It's around about 25 minutes. I will leave y'all with some more peaceful music than me just rambling about bullshit. Let me look up. This is insane. Japanese jazz. Live.
Hold on. Before you pay for yet another app to manage your team, let me introduce you to Connect Team, the one platform that...
Alright, I'll see y'all in about 20 minutes or so. All right, y'all. 5 minutes to the open. I'm gonna go ahead and check the news here. Delta One is not active right now. It kind of sucks. Just go on X and see what this dude's posting. Effective Fed funds rate 4.33% December 24th versus 4.33% unchanged. So they did not tighten quantitatively. Continued jobless claims, we already went over that. Secured overnight financing rate 4.4% December 24th versus 4.31%. X automotive rose. Retail sales automotive rose 3.8% year over year from November 1st through December 24th. There's a bunch of MasterCard stuff about retail sales. Three minutes to the open, y'all. Not too much news. A whole bunch of China stuff. It's all coming from Financial Juice. It's at Financial Juice on on how do you say X. It's not Twitter no more. Yep. Just waiting for that 5-minute candle to go through. And then we'll get to seeing what's up. Scroll past somebody live on TikTok just saying that he's looking for 126 on AMD. Bro, we're at 126. He's like, I want to see us get to 126. Bro, come on now. We're at 126. AMD, I want to see we're going to get to. Bro, I'm so just being me, bro, and this stupid damn journey that I'm on, bro. Journey that I've been through. Just hate to see the damn damn fakes, bro. Just giving out dummy advice because they want to be a stock trader. I want to follow real people. That's what I've been. That's what half of this journey has been about, is following real people and trying to discern the best advice from the shit advice. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tell me what you want to see from me, though. Like and subscribe. This is AtlasCapital coming at you with another fucking degenerate live stream. Let's see what happens here. We're going to wait for that 5-minute candle. If we get a breakout above this level, I'm going to wait for a retest on VWAP. Or even a short retest, and we'll see what's up. I'm pretty bullish for the day. We'll see what that leads to. But currently, I'm just working on Qs. Jobless claims came a little bit on expectations. Continuing jobless claims was a bit up. Initial jobless claims was a bit down. We're pushing higher. You see how it plays with you? You see how it plays with you? I'm just waiting on it, y'all. see how it's playing with you. We learn. We learn. SPX is down. Kind of want to mark that off as a high on the 5 minute. We'll make that like that. This should be the low right here. Move that with it. Now, see there's usually always a chance. There's usually always a retest of some sort. All right, we can play with this on the on our little trade. What's AMD doing? AMD's pushing up. Yeah, AMD, the only thing being shorted. It's pushing up right now. It's the only thing in the green right now. What is MACD and RSI doing? Not too much. Not that we take that into too much account anyways, but it's nice to see. And just some your average chop going on right now. We are retesting VWAP though, so I'm more confident going towards the upside currently. We'll go on a 530. Just keep clicking that to refresh the price there. I want to see if we reject VWAP and break up. Those are our levels for sure now. First 5 minute candle out. Oh, there it goes, rejecting VWAP. We'll see what happens. Volume's up for today though. So I want to see where the day takes us. Like and subscribe. AtlasCapital, baby. Trying to make some money today. Trying to make some going. Yeah, seems to not fuck with the VWAP there. I kind of want to take that. You know, it's a good price. It's staying in a good range there. We'll see. It could still chop. It could very well still chop. So I'm not making too quick moves. We are about to break that level though. Candle is yet to close. All right, VWAP's moving up. So volume look like. Oh, what is up with that? I want to remove those. Yeah, I mean we're kind of above on volume. I'm liking this. I'm thinking about taking it. There it is. Let's see about a retest. If it does retest, I mean, who the fuck knows? Is it gonna give us a chance here? Yeah, I think now's our shot. Now's our chance. Moving averages on the 1 minute are going above VWAP. So I'll take 531. Unless this moves down. 119, 118, 120, 118, 117, 115. Oh. Yeah, I'm taking that. Yeah, SPX is consolidating here a little bit. Still keeping our stop loss where it's at right now. There's no real big force driving things up yet, so, and we're still playing with these ranges, so I'm not too worried about it though. I'm kind of confident right now. And hey, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I'll go short on AMD. Because we're up on AMD, I'll go short for the week, and hopefully that brings us up. Apple's climbing up, Nvidia's climbing up, Tesla has yet to climb up. Tesla's going down actually, so it's maybe a good chance to get something going, but we're kind of risking a lot already. What do we have left to trade with? 40. I mean, that's not bad if Qs can pick up. I want to see Qs pick up, though. Of course we do, because we're in a trade. Got 2 minutes left in that candle there, so anything could happen. We are back within range, though. Kind of not messing with VWAP right now, at least on the 5. Kind of want to see what MACD's up to. 15's just starting. Hourly's pushing out. Could push down, though, because we're pretty above on the signals there. So the histogram. Yeah, now our 1 minute's rejecting the range, so all in all, still in it. What's Tesla doing? I mean, Tesla could really weigh this thing down. Nvidia is retesting. Tesla's going up. I kind of want to take that. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, though. Oof, SPX is going down. Don't like to see this chop. Want to see that range broke. Our first 15-minute candle closed, and it closed below that range. It's consolidating on that 15-minute VWAP, 5-minute VWAP. What's the 1 minute looking like? Yeah, 1 minute, it's just fighting the VWAP right now. I mean, this is that retest. If anything, we just got a good bid on it. It's a tight little wedge there. Tight little wedge. Hopefully we don't break it to the downside. I like where my stop is though, so I'm willing to risk it. What is Tesla doing? Tesla is fighting. Tesla is fighting for its life right now. It's under VWAP. Tesla's under VWAP. Nvidia is under VWAP. Google's chopping. Apple's going down a little bit. And we're pushing our range again. SPX still chopping. There's a lot of pressure going on right now. Pressure. Market did go down in pre-market, but I mean, we have that level marked. We have these levels marked. If anything, I get stopped out before, and then we'll switch sides. Still playing with it. Not too bad of an entry if things go our way, but could have done a bit better. Google's fighting. Nvidia's pushing down. Tesla's really trying. It's really trying. All right. Still within our range, y'all. Ooh, I swear if this pushes up. If this pushes up, I'm taking SPX, yo. Because I'm sick and tired of this. Nvidia pushing down. Tesla about to push down. Just want to see what happens now. Yeah. SPX to the down. SPX to the downside. We're going full force. Meta is definitely pushing down. Tesla's pushing down for sure. Nvidia's fighting and it's giving up. It's the 55 that we're fighting though. Same thing on Qs. It's the 55 that we're fighting. I mean, this is straight chop. I mean, I'm not even listening to my rules right now. It's reaching though. Like, I mean, the only thing that's strong right now is Apple, and Apple is pushing down too. Nvidia's breaking, Tesla's breaking. Yeah, Meta's breaking. Meta's MAs are where it, you know. Yeah, there you go. I want to see it get to 6,008. There's our push. May see a retest. Candle hasn't even closed yet, but we're definitely reaching. Apple's pushing. Google's breaking. Nvidia broke. Tesla broke. Meta most definitely broke. AMD is now about to break. And we are very nicely putting in our SPX right now. Oh yeah, we're breaking. We're breaking for sure. If we push through the 55, I'm pushing up my Oh my, we're pushing through the 55. What's going on the 15? 15, what is that? 6,001. What's that on the 15? 15 is broken. 15 is broken. What's 15? 528, 51. That's a 55. I mean, Qs are, yeah. Yeah, this is following for sure. Tiny little up thing, and then boom, down again. Yeah, this is about to close. Real key level right now. Time is it? It's about to be the hour change. Qs are still pushing down. I'm expecting SPX to follow. Qs are still pushing down. SPX is about to follow here shortly. There's no way there's a divergence. It just wants the MA12 to cross. It wants the homies to touch, bro. What's going on? Yeah, Tesla's trying to reach. Nvidia's trying to reach. This could just be a sweep. I mean, this is just the retest, honestly. Yeah, it's rejecting the 55. Yeah, I'm staying in it. Yeah, MAs are in line with SPX. That's on the 1 minute though. Trying to see where things go. This thing moves fast, yo. It moves fast. Tesla's reaching. Yeah, Meta's coming back. Nvidia's trying to come back. AMD's about to push down again. Or is it trying to come back? I mean, the MAs are in the right spot, so. Oh, jeez. See, now we're in our range again. We should have just scalped that. Why didn't I after losing $30? Nvidia's fighting its 55. Tesla's fighting VWAP. Jeez, yo. What a crazy day. Alright, Tesla's going red again. Qs are fighting in that range right now. Do I honor my stop? I don't feel like it. Because I'm sort of confident. I promised myself I wouldn't be like this. Just want to see where the Qs are going. Yeah, with such a small account, I should be scalping. And I'm going to get stopped out. We haven't even broken a range yet. I'm getting stopped out. And that's what's fucked up about it. Yeah, I'm getting stopped out. I'm finna get stopped the fuck out. Yeah, we're definitely about to break range again. Yep, stopped. This is our last, yeah. Our last hoorah. Otherwise, why can't I just call it a choppy day and just not trade because I have no discipline for myself. Yo, I just said what I was gonna do, and I didn't do it. Just off of like a crazy ass move. A crazy ass move is not confirmation. What is Tesla doing? Tesla's fighting. Nvidia's pushing down again. Google's fighting. Apple's fighting. Yep, just a choppy ass day. I should be waiting for my criteria. It's just my fault at this point. Should have scalped that. Insane move, we scalp those. We scalp insane moves. Don't even know what's going on here, yo. And if I would have listened to my own self, I would have played a put right here and watch it play out. This would not have had anything to do with my criteria at all. Because look at NVIDIA. Pushing down, putting bearish flags all over the place. Tesla's about to push down too. Yeah, I got way too greedy with that SPX flush. Should have just went for it. Would have made back and then could have just re-entered on the same bias. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens. That push wasn't too crazy now. Oof. This is some insane chop right now. I just want to see where it goes. Yeah, this candle's about to close below now. Some interesting levels that we're at right now. want to see what printers are saying. Candle's about to close. Wick the other way. What a choppy ass day, yo. It's just not fun, honestly. Hey, you know, we have some capital left from our stop losses. It's something to work with. It's less than what we had. Hopefully we get a push upwards here. I bet you we're either going to reject off that level or VWAP. May even get stopped down. I mean, what's the point of a stop loss on this trade? There's always a point of a stop loss. What am I saying? What am I saying? If we stop out, we stop out, yo. Then I'm just out of here for the rest of the day. I mean, we're shrugging off MACD right now, but who knows? I mean, it's just been a crazy chop right now. There's a little break. $15. I mean, 15 is just, it was about to shake off the green. Still could. Still very well could. Yeah, but we are halfway through with the signals, so I mean, histogram isn't all MACD, you know. And then again, we still have yet to break a range. Can't believe I was up like 100 in like 1 second. Could have very easily put on my stop. Maybe we'll put into more practice. Quicker stops. I mean, this one I'm gonna let ride. If we choose a side for today, I'm gonna just let it ride. But damn, yo, missed opportunities. We have yet to break. Yo. It's just straight chop, and we're rejecting. I mean, who knows what the next candle holds? But I mean, this is a good amount of volume here, and the histogram is on our side now. On the Qs, orange is about to cross the blue. Not too bad. Yeah, still have yet to break the range. Yeah, I could have just waited for a range to break. I know I said that I would have went puts, but that isn't for real. Now I know that isn't for real. I know these aren't for real, but these are great scalps. Approaching range. Do we break range by the end of candle close, though? We do not. Oh my god. I mean, there goes the next candle, though. That's looking nice. Tesla is pushing up. Nvidia, I think, found its bottom. I think Apple's just doing a retest right now. I mean, Apple's shooting down. Google, I mean, it's just chop. It's just chop, yo. It's straight chop. See? Insane. Absolutely insane. Come on, bro. Let's get a break. Break above these highs here would be nice. See, I gotta learn how to watch the chart in the mornings. Hey, this is. I'm not going to delete the stream, y'all. Even though I showed some of my Discord friends, it's okay. I'm not going to delete these stream. I'm not going to delete the stream. And see, even if I was listening to myself for real, I'd still be waiting. I would still be waiting. I would not have taken anything yet. Google's up by a little. Yeah, Apple's doing its little slow retest. Nvidia, I think, found its bottom. Tesla is like melting up. Tesla is like a question mark right now. Meta's melting up. AMD is its own thing right now. Still in that range, see? Wouldn't have taken none. Not yet. There's a good push. Apple's up now. We're pushing into those highs. Haven't broke any yet. Wouldn't be surprised if this went back down a range. Just because of how choppy it is today. Slowly but surely. It's raining outside. It's not lovely. It's a sign. It's a sign of the doom that we've experienced. Still wouldn't have entered yet. Not until this candle closes green. Wouldn't have entered. Closes green or breaks high. I find it just insane how we missed SPX. Yeah, looks like it wants to push here. SPY's pushing. Nvidia is trying its best right now. Tesla's pushing. Meta is pushing. AMD is just trying. It just wants to try. This would be another sort of entry. Just being that this candle closes above. Not too confident though, unless it breaks highs. It's got about 30 seconds left in it. You never know. Alright, Tesla's breaking now. Not a bad candle. But we have not breaking highs yet. Pushing back down. Wow. Yeah, MACD's peaking there and it's just pushing back down again. It's just a choppy day, y'all. At least it's rejecting that level some. Yeah, and see, once we get a real close above, it tends to reject, or it tends to respect that level. But even so, I wouldn't have entered until we break highs. At least at this point. But who cares? What's done is done. Qs just break highs. Qs are about to break highs. Boom, broken. And there's the push. See, there's a push. Kind of wild how things work out in hindsight after the emotions. You know, it's good to leave the emotions at the door. Could have scalped SPX and could have went long. But hey, what's done is done. And if we break high a day yesterday, that's a really good sign. To get all the way up to about 603, 604, I mean, that's a long ways. And we're still seeing some rejections, like a real slow, melt up, choppy day. Could have just not traded today, honestly. But hey, what's done is done. I don't regret it because it's all a learning process. You know what I'm saying, yo? Like, when we did it the last time, it worked perfectly. And we listened to everything that we needed to, right? Why is this time any different? Emotions, that's why. You know, it is a light volume day after Christmas. You know what I'm saying? But it's not like we haven't flipped capital like this before. So I ain't tripping really. No strength in that breakout either. Like at that point, I would have just watched and waited and just not done none. Like, bro, this shit makes me want to learn, like, the fucking iron condors and the butterflies. Because, like, goddamn. I think I'm gonna end the stream there, y'all. I feel like y'all can tell where this is going. So, AtlasCapital, always progressing every single day. I will never stop. More deposits are coming in because I am going to stay disciplined on my strategy. But thank you guys. Thank you guys for all your support. Please like and subscribe if you want to see me lose more money and be an entertaining potato pre-market.